Hello, we're at this 21-year-old house in Yuba City, California, and we're going to be installing a new set of our Tormec magnetic clamps on this pool. This pool has had our Aquadoc RX series on it for 21 years now. Homeowner is going to invest in a very expensive resurface with PebbleTech, and they would like to ensure that this next surface lasts as long as the previous surface. Now let's see where the equipment is at. I'll walk back here to where all the mechanicals are. Okay, looks like they've put a new filter in recently. Okay, there's our units, our Aquadoc RX3 units that went on about 21 years ago. We're going to be putting our new Tormec on here, so I'm going to stop the recording. I don't want to get this camera too close to these magnets. These older RX units are starting to show their age and they don't have the power that they once had, so we're going to put our new ones on here. We're going to shut the camera off for a second. Okay, well, we've removed the two old RX3 units. A pan over here, you can see what the inside of those, the one half, that's what the RX3 unit looks like when it's around the pipe, and there's what the two halves look like when they're off the pipe. Here's our new Tormec series. As you can see, there's 4 magnets in each half, so when you put it together you have an array of 8 magnets around the pipe influencing the water. This one Tormec clamp with its high strength magnets has 20% more power than the two old RX3 units put together. 20% more power. Going to do a much better job for us. I'm going to turn this off again as I put this on the pipe. Very easy to do. 4 nuts and bolts hold it together around the pipe. Okay, we're going to turn off the film. Okay, there we go. The old ones are off, the new one is on. Protection starts immediately. Now remember, this is 20% more strength than the old 2 clamps put together. It takes about 15 minutes to put one of these on. You attach one side first. The magnets are so strong you can't push these together with your hands. So you attach one side, the 2 bolts and nuts on one side, slip it over the pipe, and then attach the other 2 nuts and bolts on the top or the bottom side, whichever you choose. And you run them down just hand tight. You're not trying to clamp it hard on the pipe. You just want the influence of the magnetics to be there to condition the water. Now this customer is ready to go get their expensive PebbleTech resurface done, and they'll be good to go. Another job successfully done. Thank you for choosing Aquadoc. One more thing I forgot to mention. Notice how clear the tile is at the water line, no scale. This home used to be on well water with 20 grains of hardness. Now it's on city water and there's only 2 or 3 grains of hardness. Even the rocks for the waterfall, no scale anywhere. These magnets have done a good job over the 21 years they've been on this pool. Okay, looks like we're all done. Thank you and goodbye.